Today, the 4 stocks I'm going to talk about have already generated hundreds of % in profits not only for my own portfolio but also for the portfolios of my channel subscribers. These firms are directly funded by and collaborate with the U.S. Department of Energy, the U.S. Department of Defense, and the U.S. Special Operations Command, alongside AI giants like OpenAI. In other words, these are companies that have the backing of a country like the United States and are directly funded by the government. My loyal viewers already know that whenever I add a company to my portfolio, I pay special attention to whether there is a government standing behind that company and whether it is supported or financed by that government. In fact, I have shared each of these companies with you many times since the very first days I bought them, and in this video I will show it openly again. Because my goal is not to randomly find companies from here and there just for the sake of making a video. My goal is to take you with me, dive deep into this field together, and build wealth over time. However, I still continue to buy most of these companies again and again every single day, because many of them are still at the beginning of their journey and have a long road ahead. In short, in the coming period they might earn you maybe 10 to 15 times more profit than they have earned for me. First of all, I want to point out that this video is not prepared as any kind of investment advice or speculation. I simply want to share my own experiences and research with you. If you don't want to miss companies like these from the very early stages, make sure to subscribe to my channel and keep notifications turned on so you can immediately see and watch the videos I post almost every day. If you're ready, let's begin. The first company I want to talk about is Ondas Holdings. The shares of this company have increased by 1,276% in a natural fundamental way over the last year and are now trading above $10. When I first shared this company with you about 3 months ago, the share price was trading around $6. Now I would like to give you a little more detailed information about Ondas. Ondas Holdings is a leading US-based technology company that provides private wireless communication networks and autonomous drone systems for critical infrastructure and government security. Through its 2 main divisions, Ondas Networks and Ondas Autonomous Systems, the company develops mission-critical solutions for railways, energy utilities, and the defense industry. As of March 2026, Ondas has reached a market capitalization of $4.4 billion in the global unmanned aerial systems market with its autonomous platforms such as Hyperion and Optimus. The company's biggest technological advantage is its ability to integrate fully autonomous drone-in-a-box systems into industries at scale, allowing drones to operate remotely without human intervention. Ondas has also strengthened its position in military technologies by joining forces with Mistral Incorporated, giving the company direct access to the U.S. Department of Defense and the U.S. Special Operations Command, elevating its strategic position in the defense sector. From a financial and strategic development perspective, 2026 is characterized as a period of record revenue growth and global expansion for the company. Management has set revenue targets for 2026 in the range of $170 to $180 million, forecasting several times growth compared to the previous year. At the beginning of this year, Ondas successfully completed a $1 billion share offering and now holds more than $1.5 billion in cash reserves, giving it one of the strongest balance sheets in the sector. In particular, a $30 million demoning project on the Israel-Syria border and $20 million border security contracts in the Middle East are rapidly increasing the company's international reputation. Analysts have set target prices in the range of $17-18 for ONDS shares, evaluating the company's synergy in both communication technologies and AI-powered robotics as a strong profitability potential. On the Interactive Brokers platform, based on the opinions of 8 analysts, Ondas currently has a projected price target of $25. Over the past year, the shares of this company have increased by 266%, and the price of one share is now approaching $5. When I first shared SLI shares with you in August last year, the price of a single share was around $2. My viewers who have been following the channel continuously since that day, as well as myself, have earned more than approximately 100% profit from this company in the past 7 months. Standard Lithium, the company we are discussing, is a leading materials science company applying direct lithium extraction technology, known as DLE, in the Smackover Formation in Arkansas in order to strengthen the domestic lithium supply chain of the United States. Thanks to a record $225 million grant from the U.S. Department of Energy and its strategic partnership with the energy giant Equinor, the company has become one of the most strongly financed players in the industry. As of March 2026, Standard Lithium's Southwest Arkansas project has entered a critical phase aiming to produce 22,500 tons of battery-grade lithium carbonate annually. Instead of traditional evaporation ponds, the company uses an innovative closed-loop technology that has minimal environmental impact and allows lithium to be extracted within just a few hours. With a market capitalization exceeding $1.1 billion, SLI plays a strategic role in the global energy transition by commercializing one of North America's highest-grade lithium brine resources. From a financial and operational future perspective, 2026 is a decisive year for the company, symbolizing its final investment decision and transition into the mass construction phase. In March, a 10-year binding offtake agreement signed with the global commodities giant Trafigura has already secured more than 40% of the company's future production. This agreement, along with federal permitting processes expected to be completed in April 2026, has removed the biggest obstacles investors faced regarding the financing of the project. Analysts maintain a strong buy rating for SLI shares and predict that with its first commercial production starting in 2028, the company will capture a significant share of the domestic lithium market. With a clean balance sheet and no debt, along with the technical expertise provided by Equinor, Standard Lithium is transforming from a speculative project into a real industrial infrastructure in 2026. On the Interactive Brokers platform, 5 analysts currently evaluate this company and their price target is above $7. On platforms like TipRanks, there are even price targets between $9 and $10. Before moving on to the third company, I want to remind you that this channel has a goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the end of March. If we reach 1,000 subscribers, I will reveal and share one by one all the companies in my portfolio that have earned me serious money. If that interests you, feel free to subscribe so we can reach our goal together. Now let's continue. The third company I want to tell you about is Immunity Bio. Over the last 6 months, the shares of this company have increased by 211% and are currently trading above $8 per share. When I first shared IBRX shares with you 2 months ago, the price of one share was around $6. Now let's take a deeper look at this company as well. Immunity Bio is a clinical stage biotechnology company specializing in next-generation immunotherapies that activate both the innate and adaptive immune systems to fight cancer and infectious diseases. The company's flagship product, Anktiva, is a revolutionary protocol designed to destroy cancer cells by stimulating NK cells and T lymphocytes as an IL-15 superagonist. As of March 2026, Anktiva has already received regulatory approvals in a total of 33 countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and the European Union, allowing it to rapidly enter global markets. In February, the company announced its first commercial partnership in Saudi Arabia for both bladder and lung cancer, gaining a strategic position in the Middle Eastern market. Immunity Bio is currently developing chemotherapy-free treatment methods through its Cancer BioShield platform, aiming to fundamentally change the standards of oncology treatment. From a financial and strategic progress perspective, Immunity Bio ended 2025 with a record $113 million in product revenue and an incredible 700% year-over-year increase, entering 2026 with very strong momentum. On March 9, 2026, the company officially resubmitted additional documentation to the FDA in order to expand the use of Anktiva for patients with papillary bladder cancer. Analysts maintain a strong buy rating for IBRX shares and predict that new indications in lung cancer and lymphoma could push the share price to a target of $13.50. The company is also optimizing its global supply chain by opening a new subsidiary in Ireland to support its commercial operations in Europe. Although research and development expenses are still high, the rapid growth in revenues and expanding international approvals make the company's outlook for 2026 extremely promising. Currently, 5 Interactive Brokers analysts evaluate this company and their price target is around $23. The final company we will talk about is also one of my favorite companies, Zeta Global. Zeta is currently trading above $18 and more than 7% of my portfolio is allocated to this company. In other words, more than 7% of my total holdings are invested in this company. I will place the links to the very first videos where I talked about all 4 of these companies in the description of this video. By visiting those links, you can separately watch the first videos I made about each of these stocks. Overall, Zeta Global is a global technology leader that provides AI-powered cloud solutions for enterprises in the field of customer acquisition and marketing automation. The company specializes in the Zeta Data Cloud, which contains more than 2.4 billion individual identities, and the Zeta Marketing Platform, which predicts consumer behavior using complex machine learning algorithms. In March 2026, at the CES exhibition, Zeta announced its strategic partnership with OpenAI and officially launched its superintelligent agent called Athena for all of its customers. This new generation agentic AI technology allows artificial intelligence not only to provide suggestions but also to independently execute marketing campaigns on behalf of marketers. With a current market value of $4.6 billion, Zeta is especially in the spotlight of the sector due to the major revenue growth it is expected to generate from political advertising spending during the 2026 U.S. election cycle. On the financial side, Zeta Global has started 2026 extremely strong after exceeding expectations for 18 consecutive quarters and has increased its annual revenue forecast to $1.76 billion. Company management has officially announced that with the integration of Marigold's enterprise division, it aims to finish 2026 with positive GAAP net profit for the first time in the company's history. The number of super-scaled customers generating more than $1 million in annual revenue has exceeded 184, representing a 24% increase year-over-year. Analysts have set a target price of $30 for Zeta shares, appreciating the fact that the company holds more cash reserves than debt and generates strong cash flow. Therefore, Zeta Global is one of the key platforms shaping the future of digital marketing through both its financial discipline and innovations in artificial intelligence. On platforms like Interactive Brokers and TipRanks, a total of 14 analysts currently evaluate Zeta and their average price target is around $44. On the other hand, before saying goodbye, I want to mention that you should definitely join our WhatsApp channel dedicated to the viewers of this channel through the link I placed in the comments and the description. And if you enjoy my videos, you can scan the barcode you see on the screen to buy me a cup of coffee and help increase my motivation to keep making videos. Starting from this video, we will donate 50% of all support coming from donations to people in need on behalf of this channel and its viewers, and I will openly share the statistics of these donations with you in future videos.